Welcome to Grade 3 Science, Chapter 4, Session 4. The name of the chapter is Plants, and the topic that we're going to be learning in this video is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. The process by which plants make their own food is known as photosynthesis. Like we all human beings have the process of preparing our own food, there is a process by which plants also prepare their own food. Now, this particular process, with the help of which the plants prepare their own food, is called photosynthesis. Let's learn more about the same. Let us now understand how this process of photosynthesis actually takes place. The plants take carbon dioxide from air and they take water from the soil to make their food. Plants require raw material for making their final products, that is, their food. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, the leaves convert carbon dioxide and water into sugar, which is their food, and oxygen. The food prepared by leaves is sent to all other parts of the plant through stem. The extra food is stored in fruits, roots, and stem. The chemical equation of the process is given: carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll creates sugar, which is food, and also releases oxygen. Plants do not make food at night because sunlight is very important for the preparation of food. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide at night. Let us now answer some quick questions. Let us look at the image number 1 and name the part of the plant that makes the food for the plant. Yes, it is leaf. Let us name the part of the plant that attracts bees and butterflies. Yes, it is flowers. And what is the name of the part of the plant that contains seeds? Yes, it is fruits. Let's practice. Identify the raw materials required for the process of photosynthesis and also the products of the photosynthesis. Given to you is a list of items. You have to identify which out of these is a raw material for photosynthesis and which out of these is a product of photosynthesis. In the front of the raw material, you should write an R, and in front of the photosynthesis, you should write a P. You can use your notebooks for the same exercise. The items given are A. Sugar, B. Chlorophyll, C. Oxygen, D. Carbon dioxide, E. Sunlight, F. Water. Is food from different parts of a plant. Food from different parts of a plant. As till now, we have understood that there are different parts of the plant. Now, there are some parts of plant which are actually eaten by human beings or by other animals as food. The plants are the main source of food for us. We eat different parts of the different plants. Edible parts. The parts of the plant that we eat are called the edible parts of the plant. In some plants, we eat stem, in some, we eat the root, and in some, we eat the fruit, leaf, flower, or seed. Let us learn more about this. Let's have a look on the examples of the edible seeds. So these are the examples of the plants in which we consume or eat the seeds of the plant. They are corn, wheat, rice. Now, let us have some examples of the plants where the roots are edible. The plants where we eat roots are carrot, radish, turnip. Let us now talk about some examples of the plants of which we eat leaves. So some examples of the edible leaves are cabbage, spinach, and fenugreek, which is known as methi in Hindi. Let us now take examples of the edible stems. They are sugarcane, lotus stem, and potato. Let us now talk about those plants whose fruits we eat. So, the examples of edible fruits are banana, apple, orange. Let us now answer some quick questions. First, name the parts of the plant where extra food is stored. They are fruits, roots, and stem. Name the plant that stores food in its root. It's turnip and radish. Let's name a flower whose oil is used in medicines. They are sunflower, jasmine, and rose. Let's practice. Given to you are some images of different parts of different plants. You have to identify whether they are the edible roots or the edible stem or edible seeds or edible leaf. In your notebook, write R if it is a root, S if it is a stem, SE if it is a seed, and L for a leaf. 1. Potato. 2. Spinach. Third, carrot. Fourth, cabbage. Fifth, turnip. Sixth, corn. Let's do. You are given a list of some vegetables. You have to tell if it is a vegetable that grows above the ground or a vegetable that grows under the ground. You may pause the video wherever necessary. Write the responses in your notebook. Spinach, turnip, tomato, potato, cauliflower, radish.